Imagine sitting down to your usual morning eggs, and in just 30 seconds, transforming that simple breakfast into a powerful hormone-boosting, energy-restoring ritual. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the thing. Men who've tried it are reporting morning energy like they haven't felt in years, improved vitality, and even their partners noticing the difference. And the best part? You probably already have what you need sitting in your kitchen. Now, before you think this is just another overhyped miracle cure, let me reassure you, I'm not selling you anything. What I'm about to share is backed by real science. In fact, some urologists now recommend this approach to their patients before even reaching for prescriptions. It all starts with eggs. Yes, the humble egg, something many of us have been told to limit, is actually near perfect when it comes to testosterone support and hormone health. See, cholesterol isn't the enemy. Cholesterol is the raw material your body needs to make testosterone. Without it, your hormone production simply can't happen. Men who eat whole eggs consistently often have higher testosterone than those who avoid them. Add in vitamin D3, high-quality protein, zinc, selenium, and B vitamins, and you've got one of nature's best hormone-supporting foods right on your plate. But here's the catch. As we age, our bodies don't convert these nutrients as efficiently as they used to. That's why adding just a few strategic, natural ingredients to your eggs can supercharge their impact. Let's talk about the first one, raw garlic. Now I know what you're thinking, garlic for breakfast? But stick with me. Raw garlic contains a compound called allicin, which only forms when garlic is freshly crushed or chopped, and left to sit for about 10 minutes. This little trick activates its full potential. Studies have shown garlic can boost testosterone by up to 20% while lowering stress hormones like cortisol. It even improves nutrient absorption from your eggs, making the whole meal more effective. Here's a simple way to do it. Crush 2 cloves of fresh garlic, let them sit while your eggs cook, then mix them in right after turning off the heat. If that's too intense, combine the garlic with a drizzle of olive oil, lemon juice, and sea salt. It mellows the flavor and adds even more health benefits. But garlic is just the beginning. Another powerful addition is black seed oil, also known as black cumin seed oil. This ancient remedy has been called the cure for everything but death. And while that sounds dramatic, modern research backs up some impressive benefits. One study showed men who took black seed oil for 3 months saw testosterone levels rise over 20%, along with better sperm quality and stronger libido. Just 1 teaspoon drizzled over your cooked eggs can make a big difference. Next, let's talk about Brazil nuts. Just 2 of them crushed into your eggs. They're the richest food source of selenium, a mineral your body absolutely needs to produce testosterone. Selenium is found in high concentrations in the testicles and plays a key role in sperm and hormone health. 2 Brazil nuts a day gives you the ideal amount. Not too little, not too much. Another powerhouse? Turmeric paired with black pepper. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, can boost testosterone and lower estrogen levels, while black pepper increases its absorption by up to 2,000%. Cook your eggs with a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a good grind of pepper, and you've just turned breakfast into a hormone-balancing medicine. And for those with a sweet tooth, try a drizzle of raw honey mixed with true Ceylon cinnamon. Honey contains compounds that help free up bound testosterone, while cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity and blood flow. Just make sure it's raw, unprocessed honey, not the overly processed store-bought kind. Now, before you throw all these into your skillet at once, there's a smart way to build up. Week 1, start with garlic. Week 2, add Brazil nuts. Week 3, bring in black seed oil. Week 4, add turmeric and pepper. And in week 5, experiment with honey and cinnamon for variety. This step-by-step approach keeps your digestion happy, while giving your body time to adjust. At this point, you might be wondering about side effects, like garlic breath. Yes, that's real. But there are ways to manage it. Eat your garlic early in the day, drink plenty of water, chew parsley or cilantro, sip green tea, or even use chlorophyll gum or mints. Many men find that with a little strategy, it's barely noticeable. Consistency is the real secret here. Meal prepping garlic, pre-mixing your spices, and tracking your progress can make all the difference. Some men even travel with small packs of black seed oil and Brazil nuts to keep the habit going. And if you really want to see results, Get your blood work done before and after 3 months. You'll likely see real, measurable improvements in testosterone and energy. And let's talk cost. This entire protocol, eggs, garlic, Brazil nuts, black seed oil, turmeric, cinnamon, comes out to just $3 or $4 a day. Compare that to testosterone replacement therapy, which can run hundreds of dollars a month with side effects, or ED medications that cost up to $60 a pill. Here you're simply using food as medicine, natural, safe, and sustainable. So here's your action plan. Tomorrow morning, start small. Make your eggs with 2 cloves of raw garlic. Stick with it for a week, then slowly build. Give it 3 full months and pay attention to your energy, mood, sleep, and vitality. You might be surprised at just how much your body responds. Remember, this isn't about turning back the clock to age 25. It's about thriving at 50, 60, 70, and beyond. It's about strength, energy, and keeping your vitality as you age, naturally. If this resonates with you, I encourage you to share it with other men who could benefit. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more practical, science-based tips for maintaining your health as you age. I'm Dr. Alex, and this is The Healthy Body. Thank you for spending this time with me today, and I hope your next plate of eggs helps you feel stronger, more energized, and more alive than you have in years.